Squeaky Pigeon here, doing a flight test with the Juan. Had a couple of setbacks, and I'll explain it to you in my thread, but right now I have the camera mounted on top of the frame with the anti-vibration plate underneath of it. I took a crash, took a bad spill, long story short, broke a prop, bent a hub, did some damage to the frame, but the resiliency of this frame is second to none. It's cosmetic and damage on one of the arms, but not a big deal. It keeps cruising. We'll see how the anti-vibration mount does with unbalanced props and an unbalanced motor. I'm not going to do anything crazy. Straight and level, a couple turns. Going to fly in the backyard, below tree level, because I'm a treetop flyer and I don't want to violate the national airspace system. So I want to make sure I still stay well away from 747s. Of course, I have a safety pilot here with me, as all great and safe FPV pilots do. So let's see what we can get done. As you can tell, it's really gusty out here, probably 45, 50 knot winds, gusting 65. The torrential wind pushed me into a tree. Of course, being of exceptional pilot skill, that was not my fault. Let's see what the test footage looks like. See you next time.